Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'd like to talk about a new project that I've been working on with Thomas from the AAA Accelerator. Our goal is to build a database in which all members from the AAA community can benefit. This project aims to have community members have calls with each other around twice a month, and we would record that transcript and gain insight from those transcripts. We aim to categorize certain challenges and certain features that these AAA agency owners have, and using large language model, we're able to extract that information out of those transcripts and then put it on reports. We can also match up members with each other that are best fitted as potential partners. I'm very excited to showcase this, and I hope you find this meaningful as well. Let's get into the demo. So what we have here is a spreadsheet of all the transcripts that we've collected thus far. We have a vector store ID, which is the vector ID of the transcript that we've uploaded into the vector store. When the status is ready, I have a make.com flow go through the transcripts one by one to extract that information and put it into a large language model. It will then get prompted and then categorize certain specific pieces of information, and then we can take that out and input it back into our spreadsheet. Let's take a look at the make.com scenario that makes this all happen. So to start, we have a Google Sheet search row. We're going to run this maybe every couple hours. And then we have another search row, which then we take from our master sheet, and it has all the different categories that we're trying to collect. Next, we'll search for that file name in our Google Drive, and that's where our transcripts are stored. And then we'll download that file. After that, we'll upload that file once again into our vector store. After the file has been uploaded, we call upon an agent to analyze the file in the vector store. The reason why we're doing it this way is because it's much more efficient for our token usage. We don't want to be putting the entire transcript into the prompt because that is very token heavy. By uploading that transcript into a vector store first, we're able to make this much more efficient. And then finally, we transform that text into structured data and then output it back into our Google Sheets. So here we have a test output. As you can see, we have things like AR solution offering, the target market, revenue model, team size, etc., etc. So I'd like to run this flow, and then we can take a look at some of the sample data that we can gather from the transcripts that we already have. So let's give it a try. The scenario is now finished. Let's take a look at some of the output that our assistant has provided us. So let's go here and to the results. So here we can see that the agent has broken down the different headings that we have and the different criteria of data that we want to categorize. So in this specific meeting, they talk about what solution that they're offering, what their target market is, their competitive advantage, and etc. And if we scroll a little bit down here, we can see specific areas where it says not clearly indicated in the transcript or not specifically mentioned. And this is because in that specific meeting, they didn't talk about those topics. So therefore, we did not have that data categorized, and that is okay. We will only update the database if that specific topic has been mentioned in the latest meeting. So if you come back here and take a look at the test output, we can see that this particular individual, their AI solution offering is automation to allow customers to log idea via a form. Their target market is agile teams in product development, and the revenue model was not explicitly mentioned in the specific meeting, neither was their team size or funding status. And we can see that their tech stack includes things like Make.com, Trello, Jira, and Azure DevOps. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of the type of data that we're trying to collect. And I'd like to take a moment to explain about why we're doing this project. Remember, this is meant to encourage community members to have meetings with each other and communicate their challenges, their wins, what they're struggling with, and what they want to accomplish. The road of entrepreneurship can be very lonely, and we want to encourage everyone to find partners, partner up, and together we can all grow and feel like we belong. That is the mission. That is the vision for this project. I hope from the bottom of my heart that the message resonates with you. And I would like to help as many AAA agency owners as I can on this project. And together we can gain insight, help each other, and build strong partnerships that may fruition into something we can't even imagine right now. Catch you guys later.